We're out in the garage tonight and we have another project here on SpinRivet. You know, I've been collecting some of these Lesney era Matchbox cars. I think they're pretty cool, and I don't even mind that they're play worn a little bit. But what I want to do is kind of give them a sympathetic restoration. And that means just kind of cleaning them up, shine them up, get the wheels rolling better. If they have the tires that fall off, maybe glue them back on. I picked up this case here. Used to belong to Timmy. Thanks, Timmy. A while back, and I got it for like dirt cheap. And so what I want to do is put a lot of the cars in that case. So as I collect them, but I really like the early Lesneys, and so let's get these things kind of shined up, get some of the dirt and grime, peel off some of the sticker residue, and really make them look better. And for those of you who are saying like that kind of ruins the valuation, maybe, does it? Really? Maybe it does. I don't care, because I'm not reselling them anyway, right? So we got some simple green in here. We have some nail polish remover if we need that. Some oil for the axles if they're rusty and stuck. We have some glass cleaner. Maybe we can try some of that. And then we have some of this like rust lime calcium remover for some of the more oxidized portions of cars like this. See if we can get them cleaned up. And then we have some soapy water and some clean water. We'll give them a little bath. And then I have an air compressor, so I'll blow those out after we wash them and see if we can get these looking better. So the idea is just to wash them up, like I said, and get them really cleaned up. So using a soft bristled toothbrush to get in there, and an artist paintbrush to get inside the interior to clean out the windshield on the inside and the interior bits, seat stuff like that. So really just giving them a good once over. It took a couple of days to actually get through all of them. And then once I've got them all cleaned and all the water blown out, then I used the Meguiar's cleaner wax, but any wax will do, like a real car wax. And I just went over the surface, everything, wheels, tires, glass, paint, plastic, everything, and then polished them up real nice. And they were looking way better. Here's a few before and after shots of just a handful of the cars. And while the pictures don't do it much justice, it really did make a huge improvement. At least now, when you handle the cars, your hands don't feel dirty from all the years of accumulated dust and grime. They're shiny, they're smooth, they roll better now, they reflect light better now. The clear parts look more clear and less yellow. So the car wax really made a huge improvement, and I'm really happy with the outcome from all this work. And also, the case is much better now that I've repaired the vinyl sections with some packaging tape, and I have a great place to store the vintage cars in a vintage case. So I'm real happy with the turnout, and we'll see you next time on SpinRivet.